How to get Discord Nitro for free. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you some methods in which you can get free Discord Nitro. So please watch till the end, because if the first and second methods don't work, the last method might work for you. And if you find this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be notified when we upload new videos. So without any further ado, let's get started. If you are new to Discord, you might get free Nitro because from time to time Discord gives its new users free Nitro. To check if you are one of the new lucky users, go to the Nitro section. If you are the lucky user, here you will see a banner for free Nitro. The second method to get free Nitro is to join servers that do giveaways of Nitro. But you have to be careful because there are many servers that might scam or hack you. So you should do some research before joining giveaway servers. Some servers, according to findex.com, are safe and do giveaways are Whizz Haunted Community, Planet Ronnie, Customs Magic World, etc. The third method to get free Nitro is Epic Games free Nitro offer. Go to epicgames.com. Make sure you're logged in on your Discord. Search for Nitro. If you see this Discord free, then click it. Click on Get. Create an Epic Games account and sign in if you haven't already. I will make an account and sign in. I have now created an account on Epic Games and have signed in. The checkout screen has opened. Check this box and click on Place an Order. You will receive an email in few hours. Read and follow the instructions in the email to receive 3 months of Discord Nitro for free. So these were some methods to get Discord Nitro for free.